Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Andre. In today's video, I'm gonna be showcasing this beautiful home starting at $265,000. This community is minutes away from the Pearland Toll Road, minutes away from the brand new under construction Pearland Town Center that's gonna have a brand new HEB, a McDonald's, a Burlington, a Lowe's, a Target, and many more. And it is about 10 minutes away from the Pearland Mall. This home is 1,337 square feet, 3-bed, 2-bath, 2-car garage, listed at $267,563. If you go with the preferred lender, you will be looking at a 6.5% interest rate. The builder will add $15,000 that can be used towards closing costs, or it can be used to buy down the rate all the way to 6.25. Once again, thank you for watching. Enjoy the tour.